2006 Toyota Camry, the driver's side window got stuck closed. All fuses are good, so I'm gonna replace it. That is a regular Phillips plastic cover off. Phillips here. And same over here. Two 8mm bolts, you also can remove them with a Phillips screwdriver. And that's another Phillips right there. I already lose it. This one is the other one here. Now this cover here, this one, just pry it out. This is not flat-headed. You should use a flat-headed screwdriver. This step here, press it and pull it out. This is another Phillips. Next step, I'm gonna pull this out like this, right there, and then pull it up. It's plastic. These two cables. That's how it goes right here. This one, remember, this one goes on top, and the green one comes here. This is to open the door. Right there, see? 10mm bolt for the speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connector right there. $10mm bolt. 10mm bolt right there too. These two 10mm bolts and this one's too. So I have to use a wrench to do these two here. I'm gonna do this one here first. These are the two that holds the window. Body chop tape. This connector here, I'm gonna press on the tap. One, two, three, four. So it's very easy. Now I'm gonna take it out. Here is the old one, here is the new one. I have to buy the whole thing with the regulator and motor because they did not sell only the motor. Now in case if you're gonna do just the motor, you have to take it out from here. You have to take it out from here. Spring here is kind of hard to remove, but it can be removed. And hook it from here with a plier or a screwdriver. Also install this motor window regulator in the all the way down position. If it is in the all the way up position, just connect the electrical connector and then turn on the ignition switch, and then you can bring it down. I'm gonna connect it right now, so now you gotta find the holes here. Make sure that they go by hand. The tabs here that go here line up with these holes and this. Gotta try to line it up from both sides. 10mm bolt. And this one came off here. I hope. Alright, right there. I'm gonna bring the window down, make sure it doesn't come off the rail. Match the holes right there. Right there. Put this on by hand here. I'm gonna use the flex here. Beautiful. Let's take a quick look behind the door panel, and the cables right there. The green one goes on the bottom and the white one goes on top, and that's it. The screw here, the big one, the one that goes here. This is the tab that goes in the front here. You place it in right there first. And another screw goes here. And this one goes here in the corner. Alright, that's all I have left to do. This one, the screw here, and the two here. Thanks for watching.